Hi, I'm Manu, and I set up phone systems for a living. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get a business phone number. A business phone number has become a requirement for two main reasons. One, work-life balance. You want to separate out your personal life from your business life, and that's much easier to do with a dedicated business line separate from your personal phone. Number two is team collaboration. With a dedicated business line on a virtual service, you can share it with other people and set up call routing or sharing text inboxes very easily. Apart from this, you can take it a step further with a dedicated phone system on top with AI receptionist features or CRM integrations where calls are pushed to your contacts, or even call recordings and transcriptions. I'm going to show you two main providers for this. One, very quick, cheap, and easy, Google Voice. It's only $10 per user per month. It takes literally minutes to set up, and you get unlimited calls domestically to other US numbers, for example. Very cheap and easy. Definitely the right call if you're a single person and just want to make calls right away. Now, if you want, on top of this, a fully fledged, comprehensive phone system with AI transcripts, summaries, recordings, calls pushed to your CRM automatically, connecting to an MCP to use your AI agent to perform actions for you, then Allo is definitely the right call for you. That's my recommendation. Starting at just $18 per user per month, you can go ahead and make your calls and improve your experience tenfold with top-notch AI capabilities, let's say. So how to set up your business line? Well, you have first to pick the number. You can pick a toll-free number, which is very good for support lines, for heavy inbound lines. Number two, it can be a local line, for example, for sales or for local businesses. And number three, an international number. If you're trying to call numbers outside of the US, that is definitely the right pick for you. The number two, set up the voice over IP solution with that virtual number. That usually involves setting up your business hours, your IVR, your call routing rules, everything that you might need. Usually takes 2 to 3 minutes to get the number configured. And then last but not least, test out the number. Start making calls and see how it looks like. So with that, you should be good to go, depending on you're using Google Voice or Allo. Both will work sort of like this. You're setting up your number and you're making calls. So go ahead, pick your poison and enjoy your outbound experience.